So, hello everyone, welcome to this video, which is in a bit of a mixed place right now. So as you guys can see from my last few videos, there was a lot of work getting done on my cousin's F30. But in this video, I'm going to be looking at more so of the parts that I'm going to be working on going forward. As you guys, most of you will know, I have so many parts ordered for my E30 originally. I've got gloves on, coronavirus is real big right now, you know, it's just everyone's in lockdown, so I thought this is a perfect moment. I've ordered some bits and pieces to work on the E30, but I'm also going to be looking at doing a lot of restoration to some of the parts that I've already got. Figuring out what needs to be done going forward, also seeing where I'm at and what I need to do going forward to ensure that we get an epic build. So to my side, just over here, we've got loads of parts, loads of boxes of parts that I've ordered in the past and bits and pieces that I need to look at getting ready for the E30. So without further ado, let's just jump into unboxing things. The first box, I think I know, yeah, so this is an armrest for the 3 Series. I'm actually going to take that inside. I don't need that right now. The interior is going to be done later on in the build. From what I remember, this is from an E36 that I ordered it from. It's got loads of spider webs all over it. But yeah, it's from an E36. Obviously it's going to get a full leather restoration as well. Well, retrim I should say. Followed by everything else. So that I'm actually going to move to be taken inside. This looks to be nicely wrapped and exactly what I ordered. So, some of you will be able to tell straight away. This is a valve cover for the M50 engines. It's a nice little piece of foam. But yeah, so this is literally just a valve cover, but this is metal, which means it can be painted, unlike my other one, which is plastic. So, you guys can already tell what's going to happen there. I'm going to do a restoration on this. Do a nice little restoration on this, get it painted to the colour that I want it to be going forward. So that's one nice little fun part. I'm going to put that with the other engine bits. This is a really awkward one. Look at the way it looks. It literally looks like a gun. Whoa. So got the part out. This is steering rack from a BMW Z3. This is basically one of the better ones to get. Quite lucky in this respect. It's really good condition from what I can see so far. So I'm pretty happy with that. Looks like it's had a new tie rod end and track rod end on that side. Sorry, looks like it had a new tie rod end on this side. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm gonna put this away as part of my cleaning it up pile. I think I know what this is. Just gotta say, this knife is wicked. But right. Okay, I can kind of tell. I think this is part of the front suspension. Tie rod ends and stuff. If I remember correctly, I ordered a front complete set of hubs and everything like that. So this is from an E36. Yep, there it is. So here is the front hub. But this is from an E36. So the rear trailer arm I'm actually not gonna need. So this is gonna go to a different pile because I've got Z3 rear trail arms. It's from a Z3, a 2.8 litre, I think it was, or 3 litre. It's the wider rear offset. Sorry. So it's a wider rear trail arms, which is also strengthened quite a lot. So I'm not going to need this as part of my 5 lug nut conversion, but this is still great. I can look at selling these on, get some money back from everything that I've got. So take these out. I have a feeling this is the intake manifold, but I could be wrong. Whoops. Yep, that is indeed the M50 intake manifold. So I've got the throttle body here and the intake. There's the intake manifold. Lovely. It's nice. I might actually keep that in this box for the time being. So that's nicely kept. When I'm going to move this to where all the other engine parts are. Looks like I've already had this box open before. Can't remember what's inside. Okay. So that's actually the pedal box for the manual pedals and everything. That is so much paper there, so that's a real mess. Right. You know, I'm gonna take the pedals out of here, move them next to the gearbox. I gotta get rid of this paper. Nope, you know what? This box is gonna stay like that. I think in this box it is the brakes. So that looks like brake pads in here. I'm guessing this is the front brakes from an E36. E36 front brakes. Nice. They look in really good condition. Still part of my restoration side. I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna guess this is a brake disc. That's gonna be another one in there. Okay, so this can all stay together. I don't think I'm gonna need the front disc and pads. They'll probably be up for sale pretty cheap. But what part to leave all this in? Well, the front brake calipers definitely need to be restored. I want to get them back to perfect. Discs and pads, I might leave them for the time being. I don't know if anyone's going to want them, but I'm still going to be smart about it. I'm pretty sure this is brake discs again. I'm going to guess this is for the rear, but I need to double check. Because if I don't need it anymore, I can sell it. This looks like it's in really good condition though. That is a nice brake disc. These are some brake calipers. Got a feeling these are for the rear, but I can't remember which car these are off. So I got a feeling this is a rear brake caliper from an E36. I'm assuming. And this is going to be part to go with it. That is brand new. So, okay. I'm going to be careful with that. I'm going to put the calipers together actually. Damn, I had forgotten. This is the good thing about unboxing everything that you've ordered. Because I genuinely had forgotten I got this. So this should be fixed. Tie rod end. This is part of the front tie rod ends. Yep, this is the ones. So these are fixed. Very solid. It's going to be a great, nice little upgrade. These are actually quite expensive from what I remember. And I can't remember how much I paid for them. I think I got them included with everything that I bought. But I'm very happy with that. I think this is for the brake caliper. Right. Completely forgot I had them. I was actually looking at ordering that. So those go onto the front control arms to join up against the body. So really happy. So that is basically, I think, all the boxes that I've got for the car unopened. There's only one other one which has the front control arms and the rear trail arms as well. But it's for the opposite side from the one that I opened earlier. And I thought, no point of unboxing that right now. But I do have the Z3 stuff. So just here, as you can see, there's the rear subframe and the rear trailing arms from BMW Z3. Plus I got a good few extra anti-roll bars and stuff. I might just look at selling them if I don't need them. But these are also going to go through a very nice restoration. But I need to double check them against the ones that I've already got and see what the differences are. But whoa, that is a serious mess going on. But wow, this is a lot of stuff over here, there, and I do also have the diff actually. I forgot to show you guys that. So the diff is just under there. It's an LSD. So that's underneath that old valve cover gasket. I mean, the diff is underneath the old valve cover, but that's the other part that I've got for the car. This video was kind of a very quick one. In terms of the engine swap, that's going to be put on hold for the time being. I need to get the head sorted, make sure that's all perfect. And I'm going to be working on the bodywork and restoring all these parts next. That's going to be like the bulk of the work, making sure there's no more rust on the car, getting the custom body kit made and fitted onto the car, restoring all these bits and pieces, restoring the underneath if there is anything that needs to be done there. You know, I do want to paint the bottom of the car. I want to paint all these parts, make it literally into a show car standard. So there's a lot to still get done, but this video was kind of showing you guys, yes, I am still working on the E30. Yes, it has been keeping me quite busy, more mentally than physically, because trying to get the right parts ordered and right bits and pieces into the right places so that I know where I'm at. It's quite a mental game. You know, it's been about a year since I've actually really been working on the car. A lot's happened within that year, so I've kind of been focusing on those other things, and now I'm back on the E30. I really want to get it done. 2020 is a very interesting year, especially with coronavirus, lockdown, all those kind of things, but also means that I can really focus on this car, getting the car built to where I want it to be, and hopefully, you know, fingers crossed, if things go well, I'll be able to get the car started. I've ordered a welder. That's going to help me with obviously some of the rust repair and any other little bits and pieces that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be ordering paints and those kind of bits and pieces, like rust prevention stuff for the car, for everything that I need to do going forward as well. And yeah, so it's going to be a lot of fun. But for now, I think that's going to be it for this video. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit subscribe, like, comment, you know, the usual stuff. This has just literally been an update video for you guys. And I will see you guys later. Keep safe, be good. I'll see you guys in the next one. So yeah, you know, keep building your dreams, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.